What's going on, everybody? It is Thursday. I got a couple of pretty good looking stocks. Unfortunately, one of them just broke out of a pre-market level, so that kind of makes it a little less interesting, but have to see what it does here, I guess. So far, NXPI is looking like the one that I'm gonna have here, but there's a couple of them that might set up. Looks like we're getting stuck at 94. It's gonna break it. Looks like I can have about 35 cents of risk here, so I can go actually right at 650. That's perfect. And kind of made a doji. Yep, there it is. We'll short it here. Can't do it. That's way too big a size. Because the spread just gets crazy. I saw it at 30 cents, and I don't want to be down my risk immediately on the trade, so 72 I'm in. It's getting closer and closer. Alright, man. It's struggling here. I might have to get out pretty quick. It either takes off or it doesn't, so if it's going to pull back up to 94 here, I need to get out. And it's just sitting right there, not really doing much of anything. What else we got some here? Take a little bit off. Might go for 93 here. Take a little more. Might break under. Looks like we are, but it's coming back. Ooh. Yeah, this thing is crazy spready. I think I was about as careful as I could get, really. 93 is holding 93 breaks. I need to get all out. And broke all out. Okay. That was kind of a weird one. Lightspeed just it's really killing me with these first candles that it just can't make it right, because I know that's not what it looks like. Oh well, whatever. I don't know, that was kind of messy, honestly. But it's just the way that the stock's jumping all over the place. I mean, that's probably about as well as I could have hoped to have managed it. Alright guys, I'm going to be done for the day. Looks like the SPY is dragging everything down right now. There were a couple of setups earlier on in the day, but I mean, nothing was just good enough, so NXPI kind of made a triangle here, ended up dropping. I think at the time though the SPY actually wasn't dropping just yet, so that was another reason why I decided not to take it. Cardinal Heath made a pretty decent triangle, but it kind of went the wrong way. Definitely not trying to long anything, especially with the SPY doing what it was doing and might have done today, because you can see here that the daily was right, or the 200 was right here for the daily, and then we just broke it, and I'm definitely not trying to long anything after that, so just gonna stick with what I got. Only trade I took was NXPI short. Another gap and go trade where they just aren't failing me. Like, I just don't know what else. I'm waiting for the one loser to come. I mean, I'm trying to make it as small as possible, but it just hasn't happened yet, so I'm definitely going to keep taking much bigger size on these, and, you know, really trying to make the most of it while it lasts. So my only issue with this one was I probably could use a little bit bigger size. I know I changed my order to 500 shares at the last second, but didn't really have a chance to put it in and cancel the other orders. So the only reason I was only risking about 30 cents, and $250 for 30 cents is about 800 shares. But at the same time, I saw the spread as big as 50 cents at one point, and I mean, I could have gotten absolutely killed. It's always risk first. I'm trying to think about the worst case scenario, so definitely managed it. Profit taking probably could have been a little better. I know this thing got down into the 92.60, so I mean, that's an extra 50 cents on some of these, and I didn't catch any of that. So definitely leaving a little bit too much on the table in that sense as well, but still green. It seems like the first 15 minutes of the day is really all that I need, because I mean, that's just where all my money's coming from. I mean, you can see all these here, and then probably the biggest stat here is this time of day profit. You can see these winners to losers. I mean, I'm $2,000 up on trades that I'm taking within the first 15 minutes of the day, and I mean, everything else is underwater on it. So, you know, it's definitely just something to keep considering, just keep getting bigger and better with it. So I'll be back again tomorrow. Pretty good week so far. Thanks for watching.